Hey guys, I'm Tabitha. Today I want to show you this crazy high-powered fan. This thing blows my mind. It literally sounds like a jet engine at full capacity. I mean, at half capacity, honestly. So here's how it looks. There are two switches, one for power, right here, just on and off. And then this little guy up front is the speed control, and it's like a little switch. So it kind of toggles up and down. And then you do have a handy little display on the front. So it will tell you battery life. I just gave mine a full charge. It's at 100. And it will also show you the wind speed level that you are at. This thing goes from 1 up to 100, and it is wild, crazy powerful. It literally even looks like a little jet engine, and it does just use a simple USB-C to charge, so I love that. And it does come with two attachment pieces, which are super simple to put on. They just have this simple locking mechanism, so slide them in here and twist to lock in place, and this real slim nozzle here. And again, it just locks on really nicely. Now, because this thing is so powerful, it is not the most quiet fan on earth, but it is going to get the job done, whether that is cooling you off or using it to dust or to dry something. This is awesome. This could be used as a hair dryer, I'm telling you. Turn it on. And there is level 1. Now it's going to gradually change the speed as you toggle up or down. It's not like an instant thing. So if I go up, like I can sit here and hold this and it will climb. So that's level 49. This thing is wild. This thing is incredible. If you are looking for a handheld fan that is more powerful than you can imagine, this is a great option. I would definitely give this a try.